Hi friends, in today's video, I'm going to compare three AI online tools which I have been using for quite some time. And these tools were used for video generation for my YouTube videos. So today I'm going to compare these three tools to show you which one is the best out of these three. So let's start. As you can see here, these are the three tools I'm going to compare. That is, one is Meta AI, the second one is PixVerse, and the third one is Hailuo AI. So these are the three tools I have been using for quite some time. So recently I started using Meta AI. So I'll start with the Meta AI. I'll start with the generation of image and I will compare it with the other two image generator and we'll see which one performs better. Also, after that, I'll create the video of the same image and we'll compare to see which one produced the better output. So here I am just clicking on create. So for that, you have to click on plus button. From here, I'm going to select an image and I am uploading it. Image. Now I have to leave a prompt. So I'm adding a prompt, add a cigarette, a glowing cigarette. In the lips. So let's see what it will generate. This Meta AI will produce 4 different variants of that prompt. Yeah, cool. It has generated the image. So let's have a look at it one by one. There is only slight difference, but it has perfectly integrated. So this is the first one that created the image. So I'll save one among them for comparison. Now I'll move to the next AI tool, that is PixVerse. The PixVerse doesn't have an option to create an image. You will not be able to create any image from the scratch. So I will move to the Hailuo AI. Here you have the option to create the image. So I am just going to the image section. And from here, I have uploaded the same image and I'm going to generate it. Now you have to add the prompt here. So I have added the prompt. And I'm going to generate it. Here in Hailuo AI also, it will create 4 variants of the same image. Let's see what it will generate. Actually, it has created a different variants of the image I have uploaded. The creativity is good here, but it is totally different from the original image. So with Meta AI, it stick on to the original image character. When you compare it with the Hailuo AI, it creates a different variants of your image that you upload, but it has a total different variants. So if you are looking for an image that should stick on to the originality, then you should consider Meta AI. So if you are looking for a different type of characteristics, or if you have different styles or a different pattern, then definitely you can try Hailuo AI. Now the next is video generation. That is the important part. So let's start with the Meta AI. So I'm going to select the first image. So this same image is what I'm going to use with the other 3 tools as well. So I'll select the first one and I will click on animate. If you select custom animate, you have the option to define how you want the image. So I'm going to check how originally the character will be created with the similarity to the original image. Now you can see that this is the first video that is generated. The clarity of the video is high end. It seems like the FPS is high in this Meta AI and the video generation is of high quality. And the additional option in Meta AI is that you can extend the animation. If you want, you can extend the animation 4 more times. That means a single frame will be generated for 5 seconds, but you can extend it up to 5 times. That is, you can create a new video 20 seconds. That is the highlight of Meta AI. And that too, free of cost. Totally free of cost. So I'm going to extend it for one time. I'll show you. Now I have extended it. Just have a look at the extended version. Now you have the extended version here. Now I am moving to PixVerse and let's see how PixVerse will create. So I'm going to add the same image here. And this is the basic version of PixVerse, and in this basic version you will be able to use only up to 540 pixel. One of the disadvantages of PixVerse is that you have to buy the subscription. But there is a catch in PixVerse that every day, if you take the basic version, every day you will be allotted with the 30 credits where you will be able to create video up to 540 pixel for free. And now click create. Now the video is generated, but that is in 540 pixel. The quality is not that great because it is of 540 pixel. But when compared to Meta AI, the video detailing is not that good. Now the next is Hailuo AI. Here you have to go and add the same image. So I'm adding the same image. And then go down and select Hailuo 02. This is the new variant. And then click on generation. Yeah, now Hailuo has created the video, but as you can see here, there is a change in the face which doesn't justifies to the original image. So in video generation, I think this doesn't have the consistency or keep the originality of the image. So after generating the video in these 3 options, I find Meta AI is the best among all 3, and the second position goes to PixVerse because it justifies the original image, and third one is Hailuo AI. I will also leave a side-by-side video so that you can have a comparison. So let me know that which one is the best from your opinion.